Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. If guys your device is stuck, this is not stuck, I'm just showing you or reproducing the problem. If your device is stuck, which is a Macbook Neo at the login screen and you do not know what to do, meaning the device has become unresponsive at the login screen, meaning it's just stuck on this wallpaper here. It might be your own personal wallpaper or the default, and of course nothing is moving and your device is completely stuck. I'm going to show you what to do. This is a common problem that tends to happen from time to time, and of course you'll be stuck at the login screen. Nothing is moving, unlike mine here. I'm just demonstrating. You'll see no blinking, you'll see not be able to move the cursor, if you're even able to see the cursor at all. The time will also be stuck, and of course you're unresponsive completely, and of course you'll be stuck here. Now, one of the first thing you want to do in case that you're stuck, such as in this case, you're going to go ahead, guys, I'm going to demonstrate what you do to fix it. In order to fix this problem, you'll locate your power button, which is right here. It might be the symbol of a lock. It's the last button upper right, and of course sometimes it's just a circle if you have the touch version of the MacBook Neo. Now unlike mine, it will not go to sleep. But of course, what you're going to do is you're going to press this button. You're going to press and hold. You're going to count to about 15 to 20 seconds. So you can count 1, 2, all the way to 15 or 20. The device is then going to go black or blank. And once the screen goes black or blank and you're sure it's off, you're going to then wait a little. Then you're going to press this button for about 5 seconds. And of course, what's going to happen is that the device is going to go ahead and it's going to restart. Now, of course, in any case, it doesn't really damage your device, but in some cases, there is a slight risk, but as long as nothing is running in the background and you don't really have another option, seeing that it's frozen. So of course, doing this, know that you're taking this at your own risk. In most cases, it will not do anything to your device, but of course, there's always that weird slight window of something like that happening. So of course, that's what I always do when this is happening and there's no option. If you take this into a shop, that's the same thing they'll do as well. So of course, you go ahead and you're going to press the button for 5 seconds. It's going to start back up as seen here. And of course, what's going to happen is that it should start accepting inputs again. And as seen here, guys, once you do, you'll be able to log back in. And of course, the system will be responsive. If there was anything running, it will most likely be closed, as what you did was to do a force restart. All right, so force restarts don't really harm your device. Usually, as long as nothing is being transferred or moved in the background, it should be fine. But in a case that it's frozen, nothing really is moving, so it's okay to go ahead and do that with that button there. All right, so hope that was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.